Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. In this video we're going to be creating this cool little slider loading animation using React styled components. And quickly before we get into the video, I just want to mention that I have a React styled components course with over 2 hours of content if you wish to dive into React styled components a little bit further. So I'll leave a link in the description below with a coupon code which will give you that course for $4. So that's $4 for just over 2 hours of React styled components content. So check the link in the description below if you're interested in that. And without further ado, let's crack on with the video. So I'm just going to use Code Sandbox for this. And to be able to use styled components, we need to add the styled components dependency. So on the left-hand side there, just add styled components to our dependencies. Then at the top of this app.js, let's import styled from styled components. And then let's create a new styled component. And to do that, we just type const loading slider. And the loading slider, we want to name it with a capital L because it's a React component or a styled component. And whenever we create React components, we need to make sure that they start with a capital letter. So we want loading slider with a capital L. We want to set that equal to styled.div. And after style.div, we want a set of backticks. And it's within these backticks that we can add any valid CSS. So the CSS we want to add is, first of all, let's start off with a height of 10 pixels, a width of 10 pixels, a border radius of 5 pixels, and a background of aqua, as well as a box shadow of 0, 0, 10 pixels aqua. And then let's go ahead and render this loading slider then. Let's just remove all that we've got in the app component for now, the H1 and the H2, and just render the loading slider like so. And I don't know if you can see because the background's white, but we do actually have that aqua circle rendered on the screen in the preview window. To make this look a little bit nicer and a bit more contrast, I'm going to add in styles.css in the source directory. I'm going to add body and background of black. So there we go. We can see the circle a little bit clearer now. So in app.js then, we've got our loading slider. And from here, we want to add some animation. So specifically, we want to add some animation that will elongate the circle, close the circle back up on the right-hand side, and then spring back to the left-hand side in the starting position. Meanwhile, changing color to this green-yellow color. So let's go back to our code. And to create animations in styled components is really, really easy. All we need to do is, first of all, import the keyframes helper from styled components. Then we want to create a new keyframes const, and we want to call it const and something like side to side slide, and set that equal to keyframes. And exactly what we had before, we just want a set of backticks, and within here we just want to add our CSS keyframes. So we're going to have 4 frames for this animation. So we want a 0%, a 25%, a 50%, a 75%, and a 100%. So that will give us 4 frames that we can work with. So the starting frame is going to be background, aqua, box, shadow, 0, 0, 10 px, aqua. It's going to have a width of 10 pixels and a left of 0. Now, if we scroll back down to the loading slider default styles, we want to add a position of absolute, a margin top of 20 pixels, and a margin left of 20 pixels. And we also want to add an animation. So we want to add animation, and to add an animation in styled components, we want to reference the side to side slide animation. So all we need to do then is interpolate that within our styles for the loading slider. So we want to interpolate side to side slide, and we want that to go on for, let's say, 2 seconds for now. And we want the animation type to be ease, and we want it to go on for infinity. So we can see we've got some weird things going on here because we haven't finished up our animation yet. So let's go ahead and do that now then. Let's go up to the top here to our 25% keyframe. Let's copy all these properties and paste them in there. and we just want to change the width to 100%, or sorry, 100 pixels. And we can see we've got the elongation there. So now for the 50%, let's copy all of these again. For the 50%, we want the width to go back down to 10 pixels, but we want left to be 90 pixels. So there we can see we elongate and then shrink the circle back down. So at this point, we also want the background to be green, yellow, and exactly the same for the box shadow. We want that to be green, yellow as well. So then for the 75%, let's copy those styles, paste it in for 75%, but we want the width on 75% to be back to 100, and we want left to be 0. And then for the 100%, we just want to copy exactly what we had for 0. So that will bring us back full circle. And there we go. We can see in the preview pane, we go from left to right, shrink back down, elongate, shrink back down, elongate, etc., for infinity. So I hope you enjoyed this really quick tutorial using animation with styled components. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment down below if you found it useful, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.